Justices of the Appeal Court, led by the President, Justice Monica Domba-Mensem, arrive at the ceremonial court for the 2022-2023 legal year celebration in Abuja. In attendance is the Acting Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Olukayode Ariwola, members of the bar and bench, the Attorney General of the Federation, and Minister of Justice, among others.
This function is pivotal to...
According to the appellate court, it witnessed a 20% increase in the number of motions filed in the past legal year. The president also calls for an urgent funding of the election petition tribunals across the country for effective function.
Funds to prosecute the 2023 general election petition tribunal are yet to be released. This is becoming worrisome as it may impede plans to constitute the various tribunals and the courts.
Still on the welfare of the judiciary, the president of the Nigerian Bar Association faults the federal government for pauperizing the judiciary, thereby making their jobs difficult.
I observe that an action had to be filed in court to compel government to look into and improve the welfare of judges and justices. It's all the reason why it would be safe to infer that there is a deliberate ploy to emasculate and pauperize the courts and by so doing strangulate the cause of justice in this nation.
However, the executive and legislature refute this claim, stating that improving the remuneration of judicial officers is of great importance, and an upward review of the budget for the judiciary is indicative of the present administration's commitment to ensuring proper funding of the judiciary.
Amidst our revenue challenges as a nation, coupled with various demands for wage increase, one certain assurance I can make to this noble gathering is that the improvement of the remuneration and condition of service of judicial officers is uppermost on the agenda of President Muhammadu Buhari.
There is need to have funding to take care of the election petition tribunals, the appeals tribunals that are going to be set up so that the judicial officers can work in an environment that is convenient and convivial for them to dispense justice.
As the appellate court begins its new legal year, the focal point for most of these justices and members of the bench is the welfare of the judiciary and upholding the tenets of the profession, among others.